Got the kid friendly. They got me backed up in the corner, y'all. Alright, yeah, hold up there. Alright, Chad, side quest number 1. The football went over the gate. Hold up. Yeah, that's for the goal. Hold up. Hey, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my boo. It's another day. We outside. We handling our scandal. We got a lot of brunch items. We finna drop this brunch off. We're on the freeway pulling up. What I want y'all to do is like the video, share the video, hype the video, and subscribe, bruh. I'm back on my grind, bruh. I know I've been kind of lagging with the videos and the lives and the shorts and all that stuff, but I'm gonna get back on my grizzy. Gotta do y'all part. Like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Look at my new hat. Chef Quail got drip, bruh. Who the fly? Ain't no chef flyer than me. Hibachi King with the chrome heart drip. Bankroll Quail 5.
Who picked out the bankroll?
Shelly and Chef Harley picked out a lot of these pins though, like this King Crown. This King Crown. And they chose this 40 ounce.
No.
No, I'm glad I chose that. Tell her when we pull up there, we're gonna set up the food and you know, regular shit. Look at the mountains though. Look at the damn mountains, brother. I love LA. Well, California for real. This is gotta be IE. This like Riverside County. Look at these giant ass, dirty ass mountains, boy. Like, all throughout the year, outside of summer, the best weather ever. But summer, that shit crazy. It's hot. I'm in uniform. Shayla is out of uniform.
I got a uniform under this.
Nigga, you got a bro, nigga. Brad, this shirt, it's seen better days. I'll just say that. The whole logo gone in the front, gone in the back. If y'all make shirts,
in Corona.
Comment down on the comment section. We're in Corona, so that's IE, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in IE. I told you I'm the king of LA, OC, and IE. Hibachi King.
Not Bakersfield.
All right, chat. We outside. We here. So it's a nice setup. They got the drip going, huh?
Where's the fruit?
The fruit? Oh, I got it inside for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My boo, you want to say anything to the chat, to the vlog?
We're here. We made it, that's what it is.
Shut the fuck up. The first off for the famous haters.
I want to thank all my haters. You made me so strong.
We're going to be inside. Yeah, this is a nice setup right here. They got it going on. Oh! You hear that? Aww. Yeah, happy Mother's Day, y'all. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. They got the kid-friendly drinks, boy. You gotta get the kids, right? You gotta get the kids, right?
I see it in 50 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Jay.
There's one of them. And just in case for this one.
She said, "Go, don't threaten me with a good time. We want whatever. Uh-oh. I like Hennessy. I like Hennessy. All right, yeah. I like that. Hold on. They got me backed up in the corner, y'all. All right, yeah. Pull it up there. Pull it up. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That way. Yeah. What she was doing? What was that?
We got little tokens that we give away.
Hold up. Yeah, that's for the goal. Hold up. That ain't no game. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, see, look. They treated me right, y'all, all right?
Yeah.
They treated me right.
That's what we do.
Yeah, they treated me right.
We know that's good.
They got,
Yeah.
you know I do. You know I do.
Look. You gonna forever light it up. There you
Yeah,
go, baby.
100. Yeah, let me
There
see
you
that.
go, baby.
Yeah, forever.
Yeah.
Forever, ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we do. That right? Thank you.
Yeah, that. Check. Yeah, I remember. I ain't forget, Auntie. They got the kid friendly. Yeah.
We'll be back in June.
Yep.
I think. She did another
June,
one.
gonna tear these up.
What, you gonna show everything?
Every time I leave, they get me right. They treat me right. Treat them right. It's love for the vlog, forever, ever. Forever Miko. This her block right here. Mom's bought back the whole block, boy. Boss shit. Boss shit only, y'all. Mom's bought the whole block. Forever Miko, y'all. But they, look at this. I can't even explain this, boy. He used to be my girl. Used to be my girl. We handled that. That was so fast. This is a fast, quick video, y'all. It's Mother's Day. Now we gotta cook again. Exactly. We gotta cook again.
This is Sharon's fault. Shout out Sharon.
Shout out Ron in the chat. If you see this video, we on you, girl. Go back to the kitchen at the crib and cook again.
Exactly.
It's all love, though,
Yeah,
y'all.
that was so fun, though.
Yeah,
I
no,
love
for sure.
being around them.
Yeah, no, they were funny. They were super funny. Like, if we didn't have shit to do, we could have stayed. Yeah. For somebody that tapped in with the video, liked the video, shared the video, subscribed, checked it out, all that good stuff. We finna go back home. I might add that extra stuff to the video.
Just add the,
Yeah, I'm gonna add the extra stuff to the video, y'all, so y'all can see that Chef Quail don't fuck around. But y'all still really like that in all scales. It's Mother's Day. It's a beautiful day. Happy Mother's Day to my boo again. That's how you gonna do it every time. Alright, y'all, see y'all in a little bit. Come on, keep it. Hold up, I know he don't got the TikTok sound at the end of his video.
Baby, he made this beat. In 2 miles, keep right.
Alright, so all funny games, all the funny games shit stop. Remember I told y'all that we gotta whip up again? Y'all know I keep the grill ready at all times, boy. So you ain't never gotta worry about that. Always. It's crazy. So what I'm gonna do is we finna make some home-style potatoes and some shrimp and grits. Finna fire that shit right back up, dog. This girl was just on since fucking 7 this morning. So now it's back home. My bad, vlog. I done did so much without updating y'all. So right now what we're finna do is pour the shrimp onto the grits.
Your vlog is better than my story.
At this point, is this my specialty? At this point. Why everybody keep wanting the shrimp and grits? So Chad, what I'm doing is cleaning the grill. Make sure you clean your grill. Very important. Grill maintenance. Alright, y'all. Hey, you got them ribs going, nigga?
Oh, so yes, man. I ain't gonna lie, with the slow cooker part, the slow cooker part messed up, so the bottom of the rib is black.
That's crazy. So niggas just burnt the ribs up, but they making excuses.
Louis there too?
Did the deed, y'all. We done did the unthinkable.
I'm cute now, y'all.
We done did the damn unthinkable. We done changed clothes. We done went home, cooked again. Now we're on our way to our regular day.
Exactly.
2 cookings.
2 cookies.
We had to cook 2 times, get dressed 2 times, change 2 times. Damn.
Get dirty 2 times.
Man, and use the shit at the crib and then clean it up. Like, damn.
Dishes up the wahoo.
Fuck, y'all. Chat. The dishes. Y'all see this hat? Come on, man. I got.
Cleaned up though with the dishes. It's gonna be a lot for you.
It's gonna be fun.
A lot for you tonight.
Sheesh. Free me. Somebody wanna do the dishes? We're gonna start you off on dishes. Who wanna be a part of Chef Quail team? We're gonna start you off on dishes, alright?
All of our dishes though, not just Chef Quail.
Yeah. So you're gonna be washing out shot glasses and all, bruh. Don't judge. Food, where we going? It's Mother's Day. We gotta go to her mom's house and we gotta go to my mom's house. So we finna be in Long Beach and then we finna be in Compton. But I'm from Long Beach. Don't never get it twisted.
No one asks.
Just saying. But anyway, I'm gonna tap in with y'all. Peace. All right, Chad. Side quest number 1. The football went over the gate. We gotta put her over, gang. You scared?
No.
She gotta go over the gate. Ooh, Chad. Oh, she got the ball. Yeah. Little DGKs and shit.
I got it.
That's what I wanted you to do earlier, man.
Well, you gonna lift me up.
Bro, you don't need to be lifted up. Hey, how tall y'all think he is? Bro, watch out, bro. Stop grabbing on me before I get on you. Give me my hat, bro. What if I had a bald head, dude? Bro, stop playing with me, bro. For real, if I get on you. Now I'm finna knock you out. Bro, give me my hat, bro. Thank you, bro.
Football, come on.
Chip that crib.